Thomas and Friends game? World's Fastest Engine, Episode 91. Today's competing engines are Talking Kana, Talking Reboot Nia 2, Reboot Thomas, Reboot Kenji, Luke, Graffiti James, Paint Splatter Thomas, and Snow Clearing Emily. Now, let's get started with the quarterfinals. Talking Kana versus Talking Reboot Nia 2. Next up, Reboot Thomas versus Reboot Kenji.
And now,
Luke versus Graffiti James. Finishing up the quarterfinals, Paint Splatter Thomas versus Snow Clearing Emily. Four engines remaining. Semi-finals time with Talking Kana versus Reboot Kenji. Reboot Kenji is off to the finals. Who will he face? Luke or Paint Splatter Thomas?
I say it's Paint Splatter Thomas.
Let's find out.
Luke always dominates when it comes to the Thomas affairs.
Reboot Kenji and Luke are in the finals.
And Luke still won.
Luke is the winner.
Don't stop dancing because of me.